Most people ignore Amazon Digital Credit because they don't even understand what it actually is. And that's a mistake. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon Digital Credit is basically free spending power, but only if you know how to use it correctly. In this video, you'll learn what Amazon Digital Credit is in 2026, how you earn it, where you can use it, and how to avoid wasting it on things you don't need. Let's start simple. Amazon Digital Credit is a balance that Amazon gives you for digital purchases. This can come from promotions, refunds, trade-ins, or special offers. It is not cash, but it works like store credit for digital items. Now here's where it gets interesting. You cannot use digital credit on physical products. That's the most common mistake beginners make. Jake once tried applying it to a phone order and got confused when it didn't work. It only works for digital content like Kindle books, apps, movies, music, or Amazon services. So, how do you actually use it? First, check your Amazon account. Go to your payments or gift cards and balances. If you have digital credit available, it will show there. When you buy eligible digital content, Amazon automatically applies it at checkout. But here's the problem most people miss. They forget they even have it. That means credits expire or go unused. Always check your balance before making any digital purchase. Now let's break down where you can actually use it. You can spend it on Kindle books, Amazon Prime Video rentals, Amazon Music subscriptions, and App Store purchases on supported devices. John once used his digital credit to rent 3 movies he would normally have paid full price for, saving money without realizing it. Now here's where it gets more useful. Sometimes Amazon runs promotions where you earn digital credit for buying specific products or choosing slower shipping. These credits are automatically added to your account and can be used later. But you need to be careful. Not all credits last forever. Some expire after a set period, so always check the terms in your account. Another smart tip is stacking digital credit with discounts. For example, if a Kindle book is already on sale, your digital credit reduces the price even further. That's where real savings happen. To wrap it up, Amazon Digital Credit in 2026 is simple but powerful. You just need to know where to find it, where to use it, and how to avoid letting it expire. If this helped you understand digital credit better, leave a comment and subscribe for more simple Amazon guides like this.